Hello friends, and welcome to this video as we look at functions in Excel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the COUNTIFS function. My name is Mercy Consolata Keller. Let's get started. The COUNTIFS function in Excel counts the number of cells that meet the specified set of conditions. So let's take a look at a few examples. One advantage of COUNTIFS is that it can actually substitute for COUNTIF. So for our first example, say we are interested in only looking at females. What you do is you have that COUNTIFS, and then you pass in the criteria range, which is this, and then the criteria itself, which is female. Close the brackets. So we have 10 female passengers. Now let's look at a situation where you have two criteria or two conditions. Have that, then COUNTIFS. Then we pass in our sex column as a range, comma. For our criteria, we're interested in the males. Then we pass in a second criteria range. We're interested in the age, comma. Then the criteria itself, we want all those that are greater than 49. Close the brackets, press enter. So you get a total of 3 male passengers who are aged greater than 49 years. Okay. Now for our last and final example, we have 3 criteria, so we can follow the same COUNTIFS. Here we want all those males that are greater than 49 years but also occupied in backed queue. So we have that. Our first range criteria range is this, the sex. Then the criteria is males. Our next criteria range is the age, comma, and the criteria is greater than 49, and then comma again. Our third criteria is embarked, comma, and we're interested in embarked queue. Close your brackets, press enter. So you get 1 male passenger who was aged 49 and also occupied embarked queue out of the 3. So that has been it for this video. If you've enjoyed the content, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're updated on new videos once they're released. Thank you and happy learning.